Good evening, everyone. Just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not in the chat section. Let's wait for others to join and then we'll begin with our class, okay? Okay, so let's begin with our class now. So today is the second day in our general aptitude series, right? Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, we have our own application, we have our own website, so you can download the application from the Android as well as from the iOS. In addition, we have our own website which you can go to Google and just write down botanyinsider.com. You'll be able to get that. So check out our website. Any problem, any thing you wish to ask us or you want to contact us, you can contact us via our application as well as via our website. Okay, in addition, talking about the courses running on our application right now, so these are the live courses. This one is a crash course which is for you to revise in a very structured and very organized manner for the upcoming examination. Then we have the mock tests also available for you to go through all the tests very nicely. Then we have a complete guide present for you if you wish to have all the things at one place, then complete guide. We have PYQ pointers as well for the same. In addition, we have other things. Now this is the first question for you all. Question is, in a bacterial cell, a protein is synthesized at a random location in the cytoplasm. The protein has to reach to one pole of the cell for its appropriate functioning. Protein reaches by which of the following? So tip for this particular question is, try to read the question carefully and try to just identify the answer in the question itself and then mark it in the chat section. Give it a try, everyone. Yes. Mark the answers as and when it's done in the chat section. We have 5 students in the class. Yes, mark the answers, everyone. If it's done, then we'll try to solve it out together. B, okay. Others also mark the answer. C, okay. We have 5 students, everyone mark the answers. Okay, let's check. So the question is saying that there's a bacterial cell and in this bacterial cell at a random location a particular protein is synthesized. Question is asking that this protein needs to reach a specific pole. It could be any pole, it could be anywhere. It is asking which particular thing it would be using, which particular pathway will it be using for the same. So if it is synthesized at a random location, it would be using a random movement for reaching the pole, right? It cannot use any other thing because there is no mention of any other information in the complete question. So answer would be option number B. Very good, Sonam, you got the answer correct. And Niharika, I guess now you can understand why the question's answer is B and not C. Okay, so this was about this question. Very simple, very basic question. We can solve out this question now. This is a numerical based, you need to like solve out few things. Question is, the distribution of the grades secured by the students in a class is given below in the table. Which of the following, or what is the least possible population of the class? Okay, it is asking which is the least possible population of the class. 4 options in front of you, 2, 4, 8 and 10, and the fraction of population is given to you. Get the answer for this question, everyone. If you understand the main concept behind it, you'll be able to solve it. It is asking you to find out the least possible population of the class. Okay, try to get the answer. Done? Mark the answers in the chat section. It's very simple. Please mark the answers if you are able to solve it, and if you're not able to solve it, at least let me know in the chat section so that we can accordingly start with the discussion. Okay, so let's begin with the discussion of this question. The answer for this particular question is option number D. That is, it is asking that which of the following is the least possible population. If you observe carefully over here, you need to find that how many minimum number of students could be there in the class. See, if the answer is 2, you cannot divide the number into various fraction of 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.3. So 2 cannot be divided, 4 or 8, none of them could be divided, but 10 could be divided in whole number. Why? Because whole number is required for that same, right? So for this particular thing, answer is option number D. That is, 10 is the least possible population, where A, there would be 1 student, have the grade B would be via 4 students, grade C 3 students, and grade D 2 students. And because we can distribute 10 into the various fractions of 1, 4, 3 and 2, when you calculate, answer is 10 itself. Okay, answer is option number D. So Sonam, I guess now you are clear with why is the answer is option number D and not as B, right? It's very simple. If you understand the concept, it's very simple. You just need to have that number which can be distributed in these 4 fractions. Okay, so this was about it. Let's move on to the next question. So this is the next question in front of you. The question is, the university needs to appoint a new vice chancellor. A new VC in the university need to be appointed based upon the seniority. It is saying based upon seniority, that whosoever is the top senior person, that would be appointed as the vice chancellor. Now you are given Mr. West is less senior to Mr. North but more senior to Mr. East. I am not depicting this in a flowchart format, because if I do so, you will get the answer then and there. So I want you to solve out the question first from your end, and then we'll try to solve it out together. So question is, if the senior most declines the assignment, who will be the new vice chancellor of the university? Get the answer for this question now, everyone. Done, everyone. It's very simple. If you put in a flowchart kind of a thing, you can just, like, if you're able to write down these things in this particular format, the question is very, very easy. Okay, try to find the answer, then we'll solve it out. And all of these are previous year questions, so make sure that you are practicing the PYQs very, very nicely, especially both for part A, B, C, all three of them. It is required. Okay, so let's give it a try. I guess students are not much interested in solving these questions, so this is the last question. These marathons are conducted for you people, and if you people are not responding, then I don't think there is any point of conducting marathons, right? We have 5 students, only 2 of them are responding, otherwise all of them are just sitting and looking into the screen. So it is saying that Mr. West is less senior to Mr. North but more senior to Mr. East. Mr. South is senior to Mr. West but junior to North. So okay, Sonam is marking the answer as D. Let's see, let me clear it in. Okay, so it is saying that the Mr. West is less senior to Mr. North. That means North would be up, but he is more senior to East. So East would be here, North would be here. Then Mr. South is senior to West but junior to Mr. North. So South is junior to North, senior to West. So South would be here. We'll be having North, then South, then West, then East. It is saying that if senior most declines the assignment, that means North is not doing the assignment, then who would do the assignment? Assignment would be done by South. So answer is Mr. South would be doing the assignment. Okay, so this was about the question. So I'm not proceeding in the questions any further because you people are not responding properly, and we won't be continuing with the marathon sessions because these sessions are conducted just for you all. None of you is ready to answer, so absolutely fine, no issue in that. We won't be conducting marathons, and if you wish to come in marathon, then please make sure that you are making up your mind and then only coming in. Okay, so for today we are keeping it here itself. But please make sure that you have your exam in June, and I am trying my level best to provide you with a free class on daily basis. There are various platforms, but I don't think everyone would be providing a free marathon, like a free class, that too on every daily basis. So if you're getting it, please try, make sure that you are respecting that. Please make sure that you are taking the advantage of that and not taking it leniently. Okay, so we'll have the class in the next time. Let's see when we will conducting it. So good luck everyone, take care.